Alright guys, another day Eco Supply. AC refrigeration water heater. We have another team do plumbing, another team they do electrical. Remember 832-986-9000. Today we have a small easy job. This customer, they have a good condenser, but the coil is leak. We tested yesterday, so we ordered coil. And remember, every coil, every new part came with 10 years warranty, and we gave 2 years labor warranty. Okay, so today we have this new coil. We're just gonna put it 14A. We're gonna replace the coil. We're gonna flush the line, and then we're gonna put a new filter dryer. Remember, every time we replace coil, we have to put a new filter dryer. So let's just get inside in the process. All right, guys. So this is the old coil. We're gonna take it, throw it in the trash. That's the new coil here, new baby. Then install this one, and boom, boom, go from there. So we took the muffler off, we took the drain line off. Now we're going to the low side, high side, and then we're ready to go. So that's the old one. Now we're gonna put the new one in, but before that we're gonna clean everything, okay? So very clean. We took off the old one. That's the new baby here. Now we're gonna pull this one and we can hear the pressure. That means it's still good. You heard it? That means it's still good, okay? You're good, guys, here. So you come here, we're done with the coil, we're done with the drain pipe, we put the exhaust. Now I'm gonna put the new insulation. Then after that my buddy gonna put cookies and we'll be ready to go. Then here I'm gonna connect the secondary drain pipe, okay? Then we're ready to go. We're gonna go downstairs so we can replace the filter dryer. So there we go, guys. We put the new coil, remove low side, high side, low side, drain pipe, secondary drain, everything. Now we're just gonna clean all this one. We're gonna make sure everything's clean, and then we go downstairs to replace the filter dryer. So after when we finish the coil, now it's outside unit. We're gonna replace the filter dryer, and remember, every time you work in the refrigeration system, put a new filter dryer. So Where is my filter dryer? This is my new filter dryer. We got this one, 136S. We're gonna change the old one, okay? What is it? This is okay. No fruit. So after when we hold the filter dryer, we flash the line, we connect the vacuum. The vacuum has been running for less than a few minutes, and you can tell. So we're gonna wait 45 minutes for the vacuum so it can suck all the moisture, everything on the line, okay? So we'll be back in 45 minutes. Alright, so it's been like almost 10-15 minutes, and then if you guys can see, it's already 772, now 760 something. A lot of people, they ask how I can get it low. You just need to buy a good vacuum. Good vacuum, good welding, make sure your welding is good, it's gonna go low. It's been 15 minutes now, it's 500 something. We're gonna get it to 400, okay, and then we'll stop it for 400. Alright, so now the vacuum is 551. A lot of people in the comment, they ask me why I don't do nitrogen pressure test. Come on guys, why I'm doing tests when I stop the vacuum, I stop it on 551, then it's still 551. So the vacuum holding, that means I don't have no more leak. If the vacuum doesn't hold, then there is another leak. I have to put nitrogen test and find the leak. But then here, look, it's being stable, 551, never move. More than 10 minutes. So I don't have no more leak, okay? Now we're gonna put the spray on, done. All right guys, so we finished today's job, replacing the coil. This is what happened today. This customer, he referred me 4 replacement system for his friend. So what I gave him offer, I gave him 50% today off from the job I did for him, because he referred me a 3 installation job in different area. He referred his friend. I have 3 calls last month. They said, these guys, he could give us your number. So every refer, we pay money for the refer, or I can give you discount from your next job. So this is what we did today, 50% off. Let's see the gauge. So the low side right now is 126.9. The high side is 246. But remember, the weather is good and just came on. So we're gonna give it a few minutes and every number is gonna change, okay? So, unit done, new cup, pipe cold. We went to inside. The home temperature is 80 and the coming out is 58. So 22 degree differential. Then I sent my boy Ray to organize the car, and look what I found him. This is what he's doing. He's supposed to go organize the car. After a long day, that's what he's doing. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. Let's go have some nice dinner. Remember, if you guys need any help with the eco supply, call 833-986-9000. Okay. We do AC, refrigeration, water heater, and then we have a team. They do plumbing and electrical. See you guys in different job.